When we were growing, the concept of public schools gained significant importance. This concept became so popular that in a short span of time, we saw public schools mushrooming all around us. In the open spaces, new buildings were being made, and in the basements or floors of big houses, the kindergartens were being opened. All of us who were not admitted to these schools went into the drain of inferiority complex. I still remember the change in my body language from a very confident and the best child of my school to a very shy girl going in her shell with a lot of anxiety. The result of it could be seen in my performance, academic performance, and the diseases I invited. There's one more thing, that we all thought that whatever is being spoken in English is of superior importance and worth learning. Until now, I think the same thought is governing us. The aim of every parent then who was getting the child admitted in a public school was that my child would get an edge over the other people and he will be more presentable because of the confidence the public schools were giving. They totally forgot about the values, the thinking process he was developing, which was not in alignment with Indian values. The school had no role to play here, but that privileged class, not everybody, but some people, their brain was dominated by these thoughts. First, I am from so and so school. Second, I have gained this much percentage of marks in a particular field. Third, I can speak in English. I think this proof is enough to make me feel superior to the crowd. There's one more problem here, that the other strata of the society who didn't have financial resources or other resources, they presented their unity, or they started showing their unity because they were sailing in the same boat. Their children were denied admission in the absence of financial or other resources. So they concentrated on gaining authority or gaining importance in politics and everywhere. So it means it was like showing a horny attitude towards the snobbish attitude, and the people became more self-centered, and the approach of giving disappeared. Believe me, both the approaches, both the attitudes were wrong.
और when you practice for years, वही लोग, वही फ्रेंड्स, वो पेरेंट्स, वो स्कूल, वो कॉलेज आपको बहुत कम लगने लग जाते हैं बाहर की चमक धमक के सामने। आपने गुरदास मान का बहुत पॉपुलर सॉन्ग जुगनी तो सुना ही होगा, जिसमें एक लाइन है, हर पक्की वेख के कच्ची नी टाई दी। शायद आप अपनी इन्फीरियॉरिटी से बाहर आके ये बात समझ सके। मैं स्वयं में अभिमान था, मेरा टूटना भी ज़रूरी था।